Stock option Sultan. Stock option Sultan.
The Stock Options Sultan and Crazy Options Trader are fictional characters for your entertainment only. Advice given by Larry Steinhaus as himself or as these characters is not to be taken as a guarantee of any kind. Stock options are extremely risky, and all trades have the risk of losing all or more of your initial investment. Always be prudent with this advice, and risk only a portion of your funds that you can afford to lose without affecting your lifestyle.
Stock options Sultan.
All right, who's got a stock? They didn't tell you what to expect? Oh, man. Woohoo! Can you check the SPY I got to put on it? The market's damn gonna crash soon! I just don't know what day, and that's what's killing me. All right, I got to put on a SPY, I got to put on Facebook, and I got to put on Snap. And everybody else in the room is going, me too. I got to call on Baba, and it's the only stock going down. Right? So what the hell? It's just timing, man. We just got the wrong timing. But it's all right. It's cool. No worries. Let's do it. Let's look up the SPY. The SPY is up already. It's 423. It can't go much higher than that. Didn't I say that at 410? Look, it is what it is, man. You know, we're playing both sides of the fence. You guys got a couple of calls. You got a couple of puts, right? So your account's kind of like doing like this. So it's hardly moving. But things are going to change. New ranges are forming. We definitely discovered that new ranges are forming. Who was here Monday? All right, you guys picked 6 out of those 25-ish stocks that we got, right? There you go. So I think it's going to be a great couple of months. We just got to white knuckle it for the rest of the year, and that's where we're going to be. The next couple of months, we're going to white knuckle it, and then after that, at the end of the year, I think we're going to come out positive. I really do. I've seen this before. I've seen it twice this bad, and both times I recovered. So let's all recover together. All right, cool. What do we got next? We got, let's go. Ford is absolutely a put play. Give me Ford. All right, Ford's done. It's not going to go much higher than 15. It'll probably back down to 13, and that'll be a nice play for us. So I texted today, buy a Ford put. I think it's a good play. If you bought it into August or September, I think it was $1. And I think that's an easy play. I think to go, you know, if your out price is 13.5 or even 14, you'll be fine with the dollar if you paid $1 for the put. Anybody buy it? All right, cool. All right, we're riding together, man. All right, good. And somebody else got something else? Weight Watchers, which I think I might need, man. I've been putting on some weight. You know, this stress is killing me. It really is.
Larry, that's a lot.
You know what the stress comes from, right? Taking pictures with the new students. You got to put the audience camera on this guy, right? Just put the audience. Look at that face. Oh my God! Wait, hold on. This is like. Wait, hold on. Wait. I got to go Facebook Live for a second. I got to go Facebook Live. I definitely got to go Facebook Live. Hold on. Wait, where is it? There it is. Go. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. All right, everybody on Facebook, you got to see this guy's face. He is petrified of the stock option Sultan. Absolutely petrified. It's amazing. But then again, look at this face. I'd be petrified too. All right, that's on Facebook Live. All right. He's got his. Phil doesn't believe it.
Roku.
Hey, who's his student liaison? Deb? Yeah. Oh, good. It's a big contrast between Debbie and I.
I'm much nicer.
All right, Weight Watchers, I'm sorry. I totally got distracted by you, man. Wah! It's repeating itself. Okay, cool. All right, give me Weight Watchers. Give me the 3-month chart. Looks good. All right, so it's way too high. If you ask me, it's way too high. Give me the 6-month chart. Yeah, it's way too high. We're done here. Weight Watchers is not a play right now. Just wait it out. Wait it out. It needs to lose some weight before it's a play. It needs to go down. Oh, that's you, Tim. Okay. Was that you? I thought my phone was still talking to me. Okay, cool. All right. What do we got next? We got Cree. Man. I gotta put the Sultan hat on him with that face, man. All right. All right, Cree, right? We got Cree. Give me the 6 month. I don't know, man. I think it's, well, if you take out, so you guys realize now that this was the day that we all lost all our money right here. The May 15th anomaly, the May 15th down is now an anomaly. It's no longer an important event. It's now an anomaly. It now means that you got to get rid of it. So move the thing. So if you do this, right, and you get rid of it, it looks like 95 is a really good number for this stock. So if we take out this section of all the charts, we can now come up with the right number. So for example, let's go to the next one. Let's go to MU. Most likely to be the same, we'll see the same thing in that May 15th area. That was the day that rattled us all. 3 months? Yeah, so here it is, right? Here we go again, right here. So we're right there, Ari. 78, this is a play tomorrow. I'm okay with this is a play tomorrow. I'd jump in tomorrow. I'd ride it up to about 80. Yeah, the problem is there's not a lot of range, but it's probably going to 85, 86, even 87, probably. But I wouldn't use that as a very likely. I'd use it as a likely play. So that works for me as a likely play. Let's go to Raytheon because I know Ken texts me all the time with these things. So RTX, here it is. All right. Here you go. I don't even need to look. 52-week high. I'm done. We're not touching it. It's too unpredictable. Stay away from it. Yes, ma'am.
Ken, I just want to remind you that it's 6. I've been noticing for the past couple weeks you have a bunch of new symbols, so
Yeah.
just be careful with that.
Yeah. The best way to lose money is to watch multiple stocks. So if you like to lose money, watch as many stocks as you want. You want to make money? Stick with 6. Yes, sir, Tommy T.
Vaxart.
What is it?
Vaxart.
What?
Vaxart.
Fat chart? What'd you call me?
VAXART.
What is it? Fax art? Be phonetic. Tommy. Hey, Tommy, we're still talking about you, man.
VAXART.
V as in Victor? That's it. Oh, Vaxart. Oh, Vaxart.
Yeah.
Who hasn't heard of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in constant motion.
So, what do you want to do with this?
Make money.
Huh. Yeah, no kidding. I could tell by.
It seems to be right where it
beat.
should be,
Yeah.
but what way it's going to go. But it
Where's
does
it
have
gonna
a
go?
habit.
You know where it's going to go? It's going to make you broke. First question, is it one of your 6?
No.
Okay. So what did I say? Were you listening 5 seconds before you asked about this?
No.
Okay. Let me repeat it. If you follow more than 6 stocks, you'll go broke. So that's the first reason you're going to go broke. You want to know why the second reason you're going to go broke? Because it's a Reddit stock. You can tell by the peak. I hate Reddit stocks. I really do. They have messed with my head for way too long. And if you bring up another one, I'm going to mess with your head. Ha! Oh, you glad I'm not picking on you now?
Embraer.
What is it?
Embraer.
You know the symbol?
EMB, I think.
EMB, maybe? You try that?
Small aircraft.
EMB?
Emperor.
Is that it? Is it a, it's a fund?
It's a stock for airplane manufacturer in Canada.
So it's not that.
And
What's the name of the company? Actual name of the company?
Yes. So it's ERJ.
ERJ. All right. Cool. Do you own it?
I do.
Okay, cool. When did you buy that?
I'm hurt right now. It's a 52-week high. I know.
It's a 52-week high and you're hurting in it?
Yeah, I bought it like 2 years ago.
Ooh, that's rough.
Yeah.
Give me. Whew. And you bought it. What'd you pay for it?
I think 27.
Yike. So yike. All right. Well, give me the 1-year chart.
What the? Hold on. It looks like it tanked with COVID.
No, it didn't want to tank with COVID.
It's coming back now.
Why?
I
But
don't know.
why?
Well.
Give me the 5-year.
Oh, you look, it was April. Yep.
What'd you pay for it?
27.
So it hasn't been 27 in. No, you bought it on the high day. That's rough. Yeah, that's rough. So, I might recommend a covered call strategy on this. Try to grab as much money as you can while you're losing money. Are you familiar with covered calls? All right, it's something that we teach, and it's something I might. It's probably it's the best way to get your money back if the stock doesn't come back. It may take some time, but you've been holding on for 2 years anyway, so it's not so bad. How many shares do you have?
I think 100.
Okay, so you have exactly the amount. You need a minimum of 100 shares. And again, if you're down $12,000 since you started, it's not horrible.
Wait a minute. Yeah, I have 6 stocks. I didn't know nothing about your school
Yeah.
or class.
Cool.
And all but that.
What else do you have?
I have Ford.
Great.
I have American Airlines.
Okay, great.
I
What'd you buy
have,
American Airlines at?
6 or 7, something like that.
Beautiful.
Yeah. I have.
You bought it last year.
Ing,
What do you have?
ING, Las Vegas.
Okay,
Sands.
cool. All right, so good. So you got some good stuff, and we can talk about some strategies with that too. If you have 100 shares or more, you can sell covered calls. We'll talk about that too when you're ready. You're going to be here on Monday?
We'll see. We'll try to be.
That's all right. You want to make money?
Yeah.
Is it important to you?
Yeah. Well,
6
fine,
o'clock.
How's that?
6 o'clock.
All right.
You gonna be here too? Well, you're gonna be here. You don't have to bring him. All right. All right. Give me something else. What do we got here? What's next? We got lumber liquidators. That stock's got to be what? 12,000 now? Because they bought a board of wood last year and they could sell it now for 17 times what they bought it for. All right. I don't know. Let's see. So the right of way. There's no volume, so I wouldn't touch it. This is a company that no one cares about. No one's interested in it. Nobody wants to buy it. Nobody wants to do anything with it. So I would just stay away from it completely. At 300,000 shares, who cares? I mean, most likely the only person buying it and selling it are the people who own the company, or the board of directors, or 1 or 2 other people who really, have no interest.
Even they can't get any lumber.
Yeah, even they can't get any lumber. Exactly. Right. Exactly. Yeah, it's not even. They could sell it for not even the paper that they can make with the lumber. All right. Aries saying the screen is fuzzy. I don't know why. Maybe you want to take a look at that and figure out why. All right. Let's go over to AMD.
Tell him to wash his glasses.
Yeah. AMD 3-month chart. All right. I like this as a covered call, but I wouldn't touch it right now. I'd be looking more in the 75 range, or 70. Yeah, 75, 76 range would make me interested in this. So I'd stay away from this right now. What are you gonna tell me, Paul? I can tell. Oh, it looked like you would say something. All right, never mind. All right, cool. Let's go to what do we got here? Let's get some new people here. Scroll down. I want to see what's down the bottom. Give me how about Scott? Give me JMIA. Jumia. There's just something wrong with that word. He liked that joke. All right. Give me the 6-month. So I would tend to think this might be a Reddit stock just because of the double hump. It's got the camel hump, but I don't know. I just don't like the way it hit 60 and now it's at 30. It makes me think that clearly this was a manipulated stock. And give me the 1 year. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I would look for this around 15, and if it's 15, it might be a buy. There's nothing here. This is just pure manipulation and nothing worth anything here. What do we got? Starbucks. Starbucks, I'm going to tell you, is probably, from last time I looked at it, probably a good cover call. Starbucks. Yeah, it's just sitting there. It's like Apple. It's, you know, you drink your coffee with your apple and the freaking stocks do nothing. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'd be. I'd be with a covered call on this one. Beautiful covered call. Buy it tomorrow, 112 bucks. Sell the covered calls all day long. And hope maybe one day it goes up and they take your stock away. But that's not bad. Okay, good. Right, what do you, if we buy or sell options on the SPY, would you consider it one of the 6? Ken? Yes! All right. Go down. Baba. Okay, Baba is a 250 stock now. Why it's not there, I don't know. I keep looking and trying to figure out. The only thing I can think of, honestly, the only thing I can think of is every once in a while people get freaky on, you know, little nuances. So the freaky thing that I think, the only thing that makes any sense to me on this one is that it's China. Oh my God, it's China. So that's the only thing I can think of that's making any sense for this. But at 213, it's an awesome play. I don't see why it's not a 250, but it's an awesome play. You can even see, if you look at the 1 month chart, you can even see that in the 1 month chart, it's starting to come back. It's trying to come back. So here seems to be that nice flat level line going, okay, we're going to get past here, we're going to get past here, we're going to get past here, and it's going to go up and it's going to happen. The question is, will it happen by June 18th? So I know everyone's holding on to their June 18th. So
It's next week.
we're all on the same boat. June 18th. Can I get, all I need is 225. Just to break even, I need 225. So hopefully it'll happen. I don't know what to tell you, but hopefully it'll happen. All right. Too late to buy the foot? No. Area if it's too late to buy the forward put, absolutely not too late to buy the forward put. Anything at 15 or above, it's a play. And I'd buy a 15 strike, or 16 or 15 strike price, you have no problem with a forward put. All right, SWBI. SWBI, is that? Yeah, I thought it was Smith & Wesson. Oh, is it? Ooh, look at this. Wow, this is a very unusual place for Smith & Wesson. Very unusual place. I don't understand why it's this high. So the question is it a put? This is one of those where I would say, if you were to put a gun to my head and pick which one, I would say a put. But I don't know if I'd play it. You know, here's the really odd thing. And did you ever notice that when Democrats are in power, gun sales go up? And when Republicans are in power, gun sales go down. Now, it didn't happen because of last year. It was slightly different because of the corona crap. But the fact that Democrats are in power now makes gun sales go up. So if you're a Democrat and you want nobody to have guns, vote Republican. Whatever. Okay. So I don't know, Ari. I'm kind of concerned with this one, is all I can tell you. I would just stay away from it because I don't really see much there. All right, DTLR. He's asking me if Swiss has been manipulated. Yeah, it's manipulated by Democrats. We just talked about it. No, the answer is I really don't know. Dollar Tree is definitely I believe Dollar Tree's a Reddit stock, isn't it? Anybody know? Maybe it's not. No, maybe it's not based on that chart. Oh, somebody brought this up today. Who was it? I can't remember who it was. I had a coaching call with, I think it was Michael. I had a coaching call with today, and I think he bought some of this too, right at the coaching call. Yeah, I love this chart. This is beautiful. This is an easy no-brainer. You buy it tomorrow, and you sell it right around. You can sell it at 107 if it happens fast enough, 110 or 112, but 107 would be beautiful if you get in and get out in the next couple of days. So that's a beautiful play. All right, what do we got next? We got AAL. I still want to see AAL below 22. I really do. And it's getting closer. 22 or below. I got my alert set at 22, and I'm just going to jump all over this one. It's going to be a play because you're going to have the combination of the dead cat bounce and the world opening up. Anybody know that that Pennsylvania is now it's
Friday.
oh, is it officially Friday? Is that what it is? Okay, which is tomorrow, right? Yeah, tomorrow. Oh, is that what it is? Yeah. You can't do anything on the same day. It has to be another day. Yeah, that's the government for you. Yeah, I got you. Okay. But as of tomorrow, I guess, as of tomorrow, there's no more anything. There's no more emergency declaration or anything, which is kind of cool. All right. But 22 would be great. I'd like to see 22, and I think this is a good play. I would go over 2 earnings, though. Just go over 2 earnings if you're going to play it at 22. When is the next earnings? Hold down. 721. So we got a week for this to go into the dead zone, which would be beautiful if it goes into the dead zone next week, hits that 22. You know where it's going. So that might be a beautiful play if you want to put an alert for 22 in. I like it. All right, let's do one more. So we talked about the SPY already, Dave. The SPY is a put play. It just I don't know what to tell you. It just keeps getting higher and higher and higher, and I keep looking to go low. But it's really, but everything is going up a little bit and then coming back down. Real quick, I want to go to Apple, and then we'll go to let's go to Apple real quick. I think Apple is a really, really good play. Apple today, if you look at the one day, it actually hit 128 today for a little while. In fact, I was fooled. I thought. So here's something else I noticed. Remember, we talked about the 10:30 coffee break, and the more and more I look about the 10:30 coffee break, we all know the 10:30 coffee break really works, but I've noticed that if the bottom is anywhere past 10:30, like a quarter to 11 or 11, it stays there. And I've been observing it. So let's use that number from now on. Let's say if the 10:30 coffee break doesn't work, then we know that the stock's going to stay there, which makes it a nice play if you want to do number one, a covered call, or if you want to do if you want to buy, if you want to buy it at that point, you could buy it at that point because you could see it. You can see it in this chart. It's clear. But Apple, I don't get it. I still don't get it. At this price makes it an incredible covered call because you're gonna buy the 126. You're gonna sell the 128 covered call for next week. You're gonna make 3.5% of your money in 2 seconds, or 2% of your money in 2 seconds, and you buy it again, and then you buy it again. I've been buying this one every single week. I've been buying another one, and I've been making money every single week just selling the covered call on it. And it's also doing the other thing too, is it's preserving money from when I really need it. So I could sell the stock, I can get something else when I really need it, when I see something screaming buy.
Stock option Sultan. Stock option Sultan. Sultan.
The stock options Sultan and Crazy Options Trader are fictional characters for your entertainment only. Advice given by Larry Steinhaus as himself or as these characters is not to be taken as a guarantee of any kind. Stock options are extremely risky, and all trades have the risk of losing all or more of your initial investment. Always be prudent with this advice and risk only a portion of your funds that you can afford to lose without affecting your lifestyle.
Stock options Sultan.